What is up, everybody? It's T.E.C here, back in the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a YouTube banner. So if you guys do not know how to make a YouTube banner, or you guys are new to YouTube, this is going to be a pretty good tutorial. In no means though am I a professional YouTube banner creator, but I kind of know the basics and I finally perfected it. So here we guys go. So anyway, all you have to do is first you want to find the dimensions. It's 2560 by 1440 pixels. Once you have that, find a photo that you like. I'm actually going to be using this photo right here, if it can load. This one right here. It's a really nice photo right here. I think it looks pretty good. I think we'll make a really good intro. Not intro, banner, my bad. And so once you guys are here, you guys are going to want to go to your choice of video photo editor, not video editor, but photo editor. This is a free one that I like to use because, well, it's free and it's pretty much equivalent to Photoshop once you get into the detail of it. But anyway, it's called Photoscape X Pro, and I'm going to show you the tutorial on how to do this. So what you guys are going to want to do is you're going to want to get this template. You guys can find it on YouTube when you go to your, I think it's community settings, or you can find it on Google by just typing in channel art template and it will pop up. Once you guys do this, you want to make an overlay, and it's really simple. You just got to drag it, especially on Photoscape. It's extremely simple because it's just a matter of taking little pins and you drag them. And then what you want to do is you want to take the opacity and you want to drag that all the way down so you can just barely see it. A good tip that I always like to do is I like to take the black boxes and I like to make them myself. And the only reason why I do that is because it feels a little bit easier to kind of match all the edges. And once you guys have that done, oh wait, I almost had it. Once you have that done, it's pretty much just a drag and drop at that point. There we go. Click duplicate and drag it to the bottom. It's super simple, and if you can do that, then well, you pretty much have your banner mostly done. Now all you have to do is you gotta add the next part, which is the text. And the text it's a very universal. I like to go for something extremely bold. That's why I like this text. It's called Against. I actually found this on DaFont.com. Link in the description if I can find it. If I can't find it, just look up Against on DaFont and you'll probably find it. So anyway, I'm going to leave it so it says text, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to make it just a tad bit bigger and center it, because I don't know, I found that when you center your text it just looks way cleaner, and personally I like it a lot better than not centering. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some visual cues, and basically what that is, that can be anything from a minus sign to a semicolon, just something to kind of make your eyes kind of focus to the text in the middle. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to shrink that down. I'm going to add that to the right side. And by the way guys, this is all universal, so just make sure you kind of play around and find what really looks good for your channel. I feel that this is probably the best for my channel because I have a really cool like space theme going on. So anyway, once you have that thing on the side, you want to first duplicate it. So there's two. And you want to rotate 180 degrees, and you want to try lining it up as best as you can to the other side. So there we go. So right now I think that looks pretty cool. This would look really good if you have kind of a retro space theme going for your channel. And what you're going to want to do is, I always found that I always put my little text at the bottom and I put it at a smaller size. So what I like to do is I'm going to say subscribe for more. That's a really easy I don't know, it's a really easy thing to say, and I think it would fit really well. So what we're gonna put that right about here. And something else I found is I kind of like to square it off. What I mean by that is I like it so it fits in between the two cues. And once you're there, you pretty much have it done. Whatever you want to put for your title, it doesn't have to be text obviously, but you can put something there and I think it will look really good. Anyway guys, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys liked this, and subscribe if you did. Anyway guys, if you have any questions, make sure to comment and subscribe. Reason why I said comment is because if you have any questions and you get stuck, comment down below and I'll try to answer as best as I can. And subscribe because, well, I need some subscribes. Anyway guys, see you guys in the next video. Peace out.